Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're at Terrell Mill Creek. It's part of the Cochran Shoals river walk, but it's off of the beaten path. It snowed pretty heavily yesterday, so it is definitely muddy out here today. So let's keep moving. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button as I try to release weekly hiking videos as well as gear reviews. So stay tuned, lots to come in 2020. Okay, so as we get into this hike, just want to let you know that there are some connecting bike trails that run alongside and connect with Terrell Mill Creek. So if you're looking to extend your hike while you're out here at Cochran Shoals, this is a perfect place to go to. Just be wary of the bikers, because they will creep up on you pretty quickly. So as you can see, this area is very beautiful, mainly because there hasn't been any development. So you feel like you're out in the middle of the woods, when in fact, you're out in the middle of the city. Let's keep moving. Looks like it broke off. It fell. So it looks like there's a lot of trees down from a recent storm. So it's gonna need some maintenance out here. So the mountain bikers is probably why they're not out here today. It's a beautiful day. I was wondering why, but looks like the trail just covered broken down trees, fallen trees and such. Either way, I'm enjoying it. Let's keep moving. Okay, it's about 2.55 miles into this hike here. We're about to come up on the connecting bike trails with Sope Creek. If you've never been out here before, these bike trails go for miles and connect both Cochran Shoals and Sope Creek. It's a beautiful place to hike and ride your bike. Let's keep moving. Looks like we're coming up to a connecting point with Sope Creek, Cochran Shoals. So again, here's the map. So we're heading that way. Head that way, so start taking you down towards Sope Creek. This looks like there's just blown down trees everywhere. I wonder if it's from disease. Just the trees. Okay, coming up to the marker, mile 2.94. This is the way that leads to the graveyard, and then if you went this way, it would loop back around to the bike trail. So we're gonna go down towards the graveyard, go check it out. I assume it's somewhere over here, because the graveyard is right here. Obviously, this has been here for quite some time. 1882. I always came through here. Here's the graveyard. I'm just gonna keep on moving this way. So I didn't know we were that high up in terms of elevation, but coming down from the graveyard, straight descent. Pretty rocky. It's kind of strange that I have a graveyard all the way up there at the top. Actually found a piece of mistletoe. Looking up in the trees. I don't know if you can see it from here. I don't even know where it came from. There's some up there. Okay, it looks like we're coming back up on the bike trail. As you can see, to the right, to the left, just one big loop. Pretty cool. So we're coming back up on Cochran Shoals, Collins Drive section. Pretty awesome. All right, so that's that. We just did a 5.5 mile hike here at Terrell Mill Creek connected with Cochran Shoals. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments. I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.